Hey guys, welcome to Synergy of Fit YouTube channel. My name is Igor, I'm the owner of the company, and today we're gonna review our basic Pro30 Rooftop Sleeper installed on the Freightliner M2 business class. In this video, unfortunately, we're not gonna show you any new cool features. So this is a pretty basic sleeper with just one extra option, which is air hose that's connected to dash air vent and goes inside of the sleeper. So beside that, it's a pretty simple setup. And I also want to mention that this is version 1 of our Pro30 Rooftop Sleeper. Recently we introduced to the public our version 2 sleepers. We have a video on our channel about a Mercedes Sprinter, and the same type of sleeper with that new cool design is also available for other trucks such as Freightliners, such as international Hina trucks, and some other truck models, and also Ford Transit, by the way. So if you want, you can look this video up on our channel and compare those sleepers between each other. But right now I'm gonna show you this basic sleeper. But before we look inside, I want to share some of the basic information about the sleeper. A lot of people ask us about weight of the sleeper, dimensions of the sleeper, what's included, what's not. We're always happy to provide a quote to our customers. We usually do it by email. And that information includes everything you need to know about how our processes work, how much it costs, what's included, and yeah, everything about the sleeper you're gonna get from us. So a few words about this particular sleeper. It's made of fiberglass, so this sleeper is really light. After we install it, it only adds about 230 to 120 pounds on top of your truck weight. So, and this adding of this sleeper does not change your GVW. And so basically, after installation, if your truck was, for example, 26,000 pound GVW, you will remain the same at 26,000 pounds. So this sleeper has nothing to do with your gross vehicle weight. Another thing is the shape of the sleeper. So it's built the way to improve your aerodynamics. So when you drive a truck with that sleeper, you will experience a better fuel consumption, which is a great benefit, especially in the current market situation. So you'll definitely gonna like it. Another thing that I want to mention is if you look outside, you will find 5 marking lights located on the roof of the sleeper. So 2 on the sides and 3 in the center. That just to meet basic DOT requirements. On the sides, you will have 2 side windows that you can open to get some fresh air, and up top you will have a sunroof unless you want to install an extra option such as air conditioners that we now also offer for all of our sleepers. That's basically it. Now let's look inside, and I will show you all of the items that is included in the sleeper. Let's go. Okay, so when I said that this is a pretty basic sleeper with just one extra option, I meant that the only extra option is the air hose that connects to the dash air vent over here. So, and the pipe goes inside of the sleeper, and there is an outlet inside of the sleeper, and the air goes through that vent. But you need to idle the truck in order to get the heat and AC. But yeah, this is a pretty simple solution, pretty pretty cheap solution, but it works well, and for people who are trying to save some money, that's a perfect option. So inside of the sleeper, I'm feeling really comfortable myself. This, you can see how what I'm doing here. So basically, I just lay down and chilling. Just kidding. So we're inside of the sleeper. You can see how spacious the sleeper is. It's all completed in a warm gray color. This is all insulated. There is a foam inside, and yeah, the whole sleeper is covered with fabrics. Yeah, that makes the sleeper even warmer. What else I can say about the sleeper? So this is a pretty basic version. So it has that cargo net that you can use to put some of your I don't know, clothes and like other belongings. Yeah, whatever you want. Here on the left side from me is the air outlet that I was talking earlier. This is where the fresh air comes from. There is a hose connected to the dash air vent, and that's an extra option that we offer to customer for roughly $350. I'm sorry, price may change in the future. And here is the smoke detector. So in case if anything goes wrong, you'll hear an alarm. So this little thing is a lifesaver. Okay, going next on the back wall, there are two plastic pockets that you can also use to place I don't know, your laptop or iPad, wherever you want. And here we have two outlets. One is a regular 12-volt outlet, the other one is dual USB outlets, 5 volts each. So basically you can plug in your cell phone and laptop, and probably not laptop, but at least your phone and tablet. Here is your light that you can simply turn on, turn off when you need it. And the last thing that I want to mention is sunroof. It's easy to open, easy to close, waterproof, and perfect source of fresh air, especially in spring and fall. Sometimes in the winter and sometimes in the summer. Yeah, that's really easy to use. That's produced by a German company, Webasto. That's well known for their parking heaters. Yeah, but they also make those sunroofs for our sleepers. So that's pretty much it. And I don't know what else to show you guys, but yeah, many people, by the way, many people ask about the dimensions of the sleeper, and right now I'm gonna show you the real dimensions of the sleeper, so you could see them. Okay, so here is the depth of the sleeper, which is 50 inches over here. Here is the height of the sleeper, which is 32.5 inches. And the last short dimension is the length or width of the sleeper, whatever you call it. So let me just put the tape measure. And this is almost 83 inches in length. So one of the most frequently asked questions is, like, I'm 6+ feet tall, will I fit into the sleeper? Yes, you will. So basically, if you are up to 6 feet 11 inches, you will definitely fit into the sleeper. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget that we really like when you comment our videos. We really like when you click on like and share it with your friends. If you have any questions, please contact our sales office by phone or email. It will be listed in the description of the video. And we'll see you shortly. Thank you so much. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That was version 1 of our Pro30 rooftop sleeper that we install on Freightliner M2 business class, that we install on Hina and international straight trucks. If you have any questions, please contact our sales office. Our contact information will be listed below this video in the description. Also, feel free to leave us comments under this video. And don't forget to click on like, share, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do it now. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.